Kayo amin. Nagpipinta si Bibalasang di Ilocos Norte. And I commend the production, very national pageant ang dating, sobrang galing ninyo. I have been to local pageants around the Philippines and I really... If you win tonight, you will be Miss Ilocos Norte, not your hometown of Tigras. Please describe the town next to your town to promote tourism in Ilocos Norte. Describe your neighboring town.
Agree, guys.
Thank you so much.